guys, today we are in the El Yunque rainforest. We are exploring and right now we're at La Playas. We parked up at a little house and you can see a sign that says Las Playas, and there's an old man who directs you and you pay $5, but it's the best parking that you can get here because there's really no other option. Sitting here because it's so pretty, but I think this is like the small area apparently. It's like a small slide, but no one is down here, so we're gonna go probably back up to the bigger one where there's actually people sliding, and that's probably the one that we'll do. That's one cool thing about whenever you come to spots like this, there's locals who like show you exactly what to do and where to go. When we went to El Hippie, that's exactly what happened. People just like guided us through the rocks and everything like that. We just got back to the car and walked up the stairs. It's really fast to get down, but on the way up, it's kind of tiring. It's only like, what, like a 2-3 minute walk? So that's really nice compared to some of the other areas. You have to walk like 15 minutes to get to where you want to go. So with this being just a few minutes down, I would still recommend tennis shoes because it's very unstable and rocky and viney, and so I would wear tennis shoes or like water shoes. You don't have to wear water shoes to go down the water slide, but if you want to like walk around on the water there, it's rocky, so you could have water shoes. I just wore tennis shoes and then took them off to go down. I would wear something with straps because things might adjust as you go down. It didn't hurt at all. Like it was a lot of fun. Everything was very like slippery. That's what gives it the slide effect. And so yeah, I definitely would recommend this place. We're just gonna keep driving through El Yunque. So from where we were previously, we drove like 10 minutes to Loquillo, and I videoed just a little bit of the kiosk area. It's like maybe half a mile of like just restaurants and stuff, and the backs of them are a lot of the backs are open. This is where we zip-lined last time. Right there. It was good. A lot of the backs are open, so you're able to see the ocean, and you can also hang out at the beach there. It's free parking if you go like behind the kiosk area. A lot of people like really think it's a really cool top spot, just because there's a lot of like local food and hanging out. I think the nightlife is pretty cool there. The beach is really calm. You can swim there because there's really no waves, because there must be like a reef or something further out to where the waves don't come in. So I'm sure it's good for kids. So that's one area that's kind of close to this. And then we're driving to a lookout tower and a waterfall. So we have made it to the Yokahu. Let's just look at it right here. Yokahu. I don't know how you say that. But we're gonna walk up, and the view you can see so far. Okay, so from the tower, you can just drive back down. Whenever you drive up, you're gonna pass this, but it is La Coca Falls, I believe. La Coco, something like that. And it's just a waterfall. So I don't know what other ones you can access right now. Some of the rainforest, I believe, is still closed, but I know you can see this one. So this is like basically just right on the main road, and you can come check this one out. So this is the last stop on our little adventure for today. So these 3 spots I would definitely recommend checking out. You can do it all within a day, and so it's very manageable. You can rent a car and drive here, and if you want to stop over by the kiosk strip, you can stop for lunch there or something like that. There are restaurants as you hike up or drive up this mountain, but these are the spots that I would recommend for El Yunque, and then I have one more that I'll put in the description below, so go and check out what that is. While you're here, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed this, and be watching for our next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Adios. Las Playas. Las Pelas.